Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a DIY scrub that's great for your lips, your face, your arms, your legs, your feet, whatever you guys really want to exfoliate and keep your skin healthy and moisturized and glowing, because as you guys know, it is winter. So in the winter time your skin tends to get a little bit more on the drier side. So hopefully this video will help you guys out and be able to moisturize your skin, and if it does, make sure you guys give the video a big thumbs up.
I have to stutter all the time.
Did you guys like the video? Hope you did. Make sure you guys give the video a huge thumbs up and make sure to subscribe right here on this side, and comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see on my channel, because I'm gonna have a lot of stuff planned out, but I also want to hear some of your guys' ideas. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.